All right, just a quick one. You can probably guess what I'm trying to do, but I've decided before I take it for a wheel alignment, I'm just going to string align it, because you can really wreck your tires if you have to drive a long distance with your alignment not right. So, dead easy. I had a long piece of aluminium. It's whatever they call that, angle line, some fishing line, and a Cresta. So what I did, the important thing is the piece at the front needs to be wider than the track of your wheels. So what I did was I tied it off here. I ran it down the side of the car. I went around this convenient part of the bumper. And you can see here it's touching the rear wheel. Around the bumper. Along here. And then I tied it off here. Now, it's important that you're able to slide this, because if you can see here, it's touching the outer edge of the rim, but it's not touching here. So currently, this one is towed in. And if we go around this side, it's touching just here, and it's not touching here. So again, this one is towed in. I've got my steering wheel level. Just watch when you adjust it, because instead of moving the wheel, it will actually push the rack across. And so every time you make an adjustment, check that your steering wheel is in the middle. If you have a friend, which I don't, zero friends, you could get your friend to sit there and hold the steering wheel. You can go as far as, if you did want to have a specific amount of toe in or toe out, you can measure to the string line. So if I wanted to tow it out, I'd actually have it touch at the front and then have the gap at the rear. But I'm going to make some adjustments now. I just want it neutral at the moment. Oh, another handy thing is these plastic ramps, because I need to be able to get under the car to adjust it. Also, the reason I am able to do this is because I just installed these skid racing tie rods, or rack ends, which basically means I can adjust it on the car. I think the factory stuff, I can't remember if you can. No, you can adjust it on the car as well, but it's way easier with these things. Got it over there. So that's what I'm going to do now. Get it neutral toe. That way when I drive it for the alignment, it doesn't wear out my tires. Found that helpful? Leave us a like. Click subscribe for more awesome tips, I guess. Thanks for watching.